Okay, good morning everyone. So today we're going to be writing some linear equations. Okay, and so this is page 17 and 18 in our book. And what we're going to be taking a look at is we're going to be writing linear equations, except we're not really going to talk about slope and y-intercept yet. We're just going to be taking a look at word problems in certain words. So the number in our equation, so here's what our equation will always look like. We'll have y equals whatever number is right in front of x. That's going to be called our rate word. And there's three different rate words that we're going to be looking for. Okay, so I want you to write these down. We're going to be looking for the word per, mile per hour, dollars per hour, something like that. Each hour, each week, each mile. And the last one is every week, every mile, something like that. So whatever number is used with our rate words is going to go right here. The other words we're looking for is called our y-intercept words. That number will be over here by itself. And that's called our y-intercept words. So our three y-intercept words are initial. So initially we had the initial amount, something like that. Starting. So the starting amount, starting value, starting membership cost. And the last one is beginning. So beginning with, something like that. So these are the words that we're going to be looking for in order to write our equations. And this will make more sense when we go through a few example problems. So let's take a look at number one. So it says, in order to join a dancing club, there is a $30, and here's one of our words. So I want you to circle it. Initial. So 30 is with that word initial. We'll get back to that. So there's a $30 initial fee and a $4 per, and again, I'm going to circle this word. Here's my rate word. So that 4 goes with this word, per, $4 per month fee. Write an equation in slope-intercept form that models this situation. Okay, so here's my equation down here. I went ahead and wrote it for you. All we have to do is fill in the number in front of x. Remember, that's up here, our rate word. And our y-intercept. And again, up here, our y-intercept for those words. So, the number in front of x, those are my rate words. Per, each, every, I use per. So 4 is going to go right here. Now I need my y-intercept. That's the number over here by itself. So my y-intercept words, initial, starting, beginning. Well, I used initial, so that 30 is going to go over here. So there is my equation, y equals 4x plus 30. And that's all we're going to do. We're just writing them. That's it. Okay, we'll do two more together. So this next one, it says, in order to join an online learning community, there is a $20 starting. So I want you to circle every y-intercept word you see. So that 20 is going to be our y-intercept word, $20 starting fee. And a $5 fee each. So here's our rate word, month. So same thing, we want to write our equation. So I'm going to take a look up top. The number in front of x is our rate word. So per, each, every. Well, in this one I used each. So that 5 is going to go in front of x because that was our rate word. So y equals 5x plus, now I have this y-intercept, the number by itself. So when I look up top, my y-intercept words are initial, starting, beginning. Well, in this one I use starting, so that 20 would go here. So there's my equation, y equals 5x plus 20. Okay, we'll do one more together. So number 3. So in order to become a member of the Library All-Star Members Club, there is a $40 beginning. So I'm going to circle that beginning fee and a $2 fee every week. So I'm going to circle that word every. So that $2 is going with that word every. So now we're going to write our equation. So y equals blank x. Remember, this is where our rate words go. So I used every, so 2 is going to be there. X plus, and then my y-intercept, I found this word beginning, so that 40 is what would go here. So there's my equation, y equals 2x plus 40. So your assignment today is to finish both page 17 and the back, which is page 18. And again, I want to see not only writing the equation, but I want you to circle those rate words and those y-intercept words. So make sure you have them copied down.